Now let's talk about how you can see how many miles you ran on your Apple Watch. So as you know, the Apple Watch can track all of the activity and all of the runs that you want to perform. So in the workout app, you can set up the running workout like that. Just look up the, let's say, outdoor run, and you can choose the goal to be the distance, right? So you can track the distance specifically. Let's say you want to switch it to miles, right? Obviously, it is possible to do it as well. So you can choose how many miles you want to have for a specific workout. You can hit done. You can start that workout and essentially see how much you are running, right? You can see the distance right there in meters, or depending on how you have it set up, if you have the the metric system or whatever, right? So that's how you can track it in real time. When it comes to the history of your workouts and runs, the Apple Watch is not that great for this. And to see like detailed workout summaries, it is much easier to check it out on the iPhone. So on the iPhone paired to that Apple Watch, you can look up the activity application. So I think it's called Fitness now. So yeah, this fitness application, you can open it up like this, and you can see your summaries, like all of the workout history, all of these sessions which you had in the past, all of the runs and everything you are doing with your Apple Watch and tracking. So that's very useful. But as I say, you kind of have to do it on your iPhone. If you really want to put everything on the watch, there are some third-party apps which can have access to your activity data and are displayed on the Apple Watch as well. One of those apps is called Fitness View, I believe, which I used it in the past, right? So it is the activity tracker Fitness View, and this application, as you can see, can access your rings and activity and exercise minutes and everything, and it can also display it on the watch. So you can see like different widgets and so many different like steps, workouts, active, total calories, all the good stuff. So you can see it on the watch as well. But as I say, it's not the most convenient option, especially because it requires subscription to see most of the data. So yeah, I would honestly recommend you to just check it out on the phone because it's much easier. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to let you know about. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you later on in the next tutorial.